also engaged Trilogy to assist in my transition or my exit plan, which will occur far down the road. But I wanted to be prepared so that I can exit knowing all very, very well that the company would be left both in good hands, that would be a very, very strong company, as well as the employees who have been with us for many, many years are also part of and can reap the rewards of the growth and the transition. And all my employees are aware now of what the transition plan is, where we're going, and how we would impact them in a positive way. And I believe also that, again, through the background knowledge in dealing with the Trilogy staff, enabled me to be able to project a very, very fruitful and positive transition.